ferme pour les visites. You know you can get closer to this.
You don't go there.
No, that gets there. The clothes for private tours is going in there. See, there's a thing there. You have to pay to get in.
Captain, let's go. Captain. Take a picture with them. There's another guy going here with a bag.
Are they leaving now? Hmm? How come that guy's there and then recording? How come there's a person there?
There's a life there. See the gun?
Where?
Right there.
Which one are you talking about?
Move over more. There, in the life jacket.
Oh, right.
It's fake, see?
There's a person there, like a fake one. I think it's like a. I think there's like
They look familiar on the guy on the left.
That guy's so young to be a captain. They're all so young, actually. So they've been doing it for a long time.
But they're nice though.
I think it's like a
Because I was
turco.
like,
See,
oh, back when this
I think it's like a turco. Look.
Hey, talk to me.
There.
started.
See, I know I saw it. I guess taking a picture, recording. Tom Cruise.
Tom Cruise.
This thing's huge.
Right.
Look how huge this is.
Yeah, like emblem. Can we get that? Can we get that for the for our room?
Oh, there's BC ferry. I mean sea bus. The sea bus. Wow! It rotated on my face. It rotated. So 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god, there's ton of.
I mean, itchy.
Are those weapons?
I don't think so. It's like
Bullets? Or maybe the food container? Wait.
Okay, can we join? Can we join? This is how we're surrounded by sea.
We're surrounded by seamen.
Ryan.
Everywhere.
Ryan, can you? Don't do that.
Really
Move
loud.
away from me.
That's a rocket.
Wait, are they? How can they? Wait, are they gonna go
We're going in there.
there, but not us?
That
See, look at that one. See?
definitely shoot
Wait, how that guy's waving at them?
How that guy's carrying like a buffalo bag after it's full of money? How is it there?
It's
How
tours, Ko. It's a tour. You have to pay.
Oh, see, there's people paying, no? How did we got there? You pay?
Oh, they walk in here without
Oh, really? With a helicopter.
Oh, there's a helicopter up there.
Alright.
Maybe we can go close here. Oh, it's just this. Oh, there's another fake person there.
I'm gonna sit for a few seconds.
Are they filming a movie or are they, is just something else? Do they actually use that? Do you think that still works?
I think they're filming.
Huh? I don't think. Right? It looks like they're filming. It looks like they're going to film something. Something stinks. Is it the water? Smells like gasoline. I know. Look at that boat. Is it gonna go
There's
this
a
way?
chef there. See, you can tell he's a cook. See,
Yeah, and then there's a.
his apron. What's he cooking? What's for breakfast?
Why is that? Why is there lots of random dummies everywhere?
Who knows?
I think it's a tour because a tour is gonna walk here, and then this way it looks like if there's a person now.
Yeah.
Walk that way. Pete. On the ground, Mark, on the ground, on the ground. Is that thing heading this way? Are they part of that thing? It's turning. We need a boat. We need to buy a boat. Or rent a boat.
In a house our own with that big.
Boat or dock. Imagine you have a your own dock. It's gonna be nice. You can just ride a boat anytime you want. Canada. Oh, wait, it's like it's like a police then, no? Love your phone again. Look. How come the sun is all the way up there? How come the sun is not here? Coast Guard? Alright. How do you become a Coast Guard? Yeah, see those two the Coast Guard. How do you become a Coast Guard? How do you apply? Right, Ka? How do you become a Coast Guard like those two?
Apply online. Different ways.
If you text this to Mimo, she's gonna go here. What are you looking at?
See that white like dome thing? There's a like turret poking on the front.
Oh, alright. Is this still active? I think you can still use it, but I think this one is just for show, no? That helicopter though.
That guy, see?
You know what?
Sorry,
Me neither.
I actually own part of this machine.
Everything that rhymes with a semen is my part. Everything that rhymes with a semen I own.
Like this? You know who I am? Me neither.
You're not.
Men, uniforms, the ocean, and buoyancy. That's all I just say.
And then you're gonna walk away as if you did
Goodbye.
something. What is that red thing?
No, it was there.
Oh, there.
There. That was the.
Pee! Pee on the ground!
The anniversary of the Battle of the Atlantic in World War II. The battle that happened in World War II. So this is a replica of the ship, but it was
World
made in
War
94.
II.
When you said this is the 3.0 version, so it's still active.
Ew!
He said this one's still active.
Oh. So this thing is like a, what is this? Like
so
a,
so the missile still works.
Yeah, and that turret up back, you know that turret up back?
yeah.
It's an anti-missile defense turret. So it basically throws up a shield of metal. So it fires out a metal wall to make that thing explode.
The missile. Oh, this is for anyone.
Hey, with the Royal Navy.
Elon Musk? Look like Elon Musk, that guy.
The first guy that you brought out there. He's a something of C-SPAN.
Yeah, I saw it, yeah.
That guy's loaded.
Where's the poop? Where?
There, in the corner there.
Alright.
Actually, that's kind of shitty. It's like this.
People that have. How those people in the blue?
How would a Zibo caught there?
Those people